silent truths from distant lands, pages worn by countless hands, holding wisdom time expands. You open it with quiet care, feeling something waiting there, words that whisper through the past, guiding light the shadows cast. The old book speaks in steady lines, a voice that lives beyond all time. Its wisdom softly calls your name, a quiet spark, a steady flame. It shows the path you almost knew, a trace of truth alive in you. The book reveals the way ahead, through every line your heart is led. Stories told, lessons shaped in ages old, echoes rise from history's well, messages you start to feel. What seemed distant now feels near, ancient voices growing clear. You learn to trust what you once feared. The past becomes a guide revered. The old book speaks in steady lines, a voice that lives beyond all time. Its wisdom softly calls your name, a quiet spark, a steady flame. It shows the path you almost knew, a trace of truth